Yo, what's up guys? So in today's video I'm going to design a graphic for a clothing brand. I will show you my whole designing and creative process behind this design. Let's start. I usually start from the main image, but for this graphic I had the limit of a 2-color screen print. In this case, I had a lot of ideas. They were all focused on the second chance you have in life that connects with another garment that I made before this one. The colors that I want to use are black and a quite dark green. I want to focus more on the back design. In fact, let's start from the back and work our way to the front. Here I'm starting adding the main concepts in the middle of the graphic inside of a black circle. I'm adding to both sides of the circle the clothing brand name to make it symmetrical and perfect. After adding the logos, I added the definition took from the other graphic of the second chance you have in life and adding it directly below the main concept created before. After I proceeded with adding some symbols that practically represent the different possibilities you have in life, that in this case of the symbol are many, but let's say it. Reasonably, they don't mean that much. I just added them to fill in some space up and make the graphic more in a streetwear and modern style, let's say. Here you can see how I experiment with different distortions of the circle. After I started adding a distorted and large star that then will be colored in green. That symbolizes the explosion of a star that tries to, let's say, live more and wants to have a second chance in its life. That reminds me of another thing that you should make explode. We have nearly finished. Now it's time to add the tagline of the brand, so inspired by culture and emotion. That will be added symmetrically on both sides. Oh wait, I almost forgot to add the cherry on the top. That is the copyright disclaimer. That adds a nice industrial touch to the design. Now let's color the different parts in green. The front design will include the concept name, so second chance, and the iconic green exploding star. Now let's add them to a mockup that is the Mars Global Main Studios mockup that I created that will be available in maybe a week. And yeah, I didn't set up the site and I need to create the Behance presentation. By the way, follow me on Behance. Just for you awesome people that sticked around till the end, I created a lookbook video for this design. So here's the final result. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because if you arrived here, it means that you liked the video. And my other content is very similar to this video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye.